Welcome back to Crafting with Stephanie. I'm Stephanie, your youth and community librarian from the Medicine Hat Public Library. And today I'm going to show you how to make your very own bottle cap bookmarks. It's a super easy craft that you should have all the supplies at home, easy and readily available to you. What you'll need for this craft is a hot glue gun or white glue, some scissors, bottle caps, preferably the kind that is metal and has this kind of cool crimp design on it, a large paper clip, decorative paper of your choice, and optional is a round paper punch. Let's get into it. Alright, so we have our supplies gathered here and ready to go, and we're going to start by cutting our decorative paper to fit on the inside of the bottle cap. If you have a fancy dancy hole punch paper cutter, this is a great option. You just need to make sure it's the right size. I'm going to start with this, it's a bit big, and then I'm going to trim it down. If you've never worked one of these before, they're super easy. You're just going to put the paper inside this little slot here and crunch it down. And you have this perfect little circle cut out for you. Super handy dandy, but as I said, if you don't have this fancy machine, just use scissors. It's totally okay. So it's a little big for my bottle cap, as you can see here, so I'm going to trim it. Alright, so we have our perfectly cut decorative paper and our bottle cap. We are going to take our glue gun and fill the center part with glue and press down the paper. Working quickly so that the glue doesn't dry before we put in our paper. And be careful when you're working with hot glue, it can burn your fingers. And there we go. We have two very well glued down bottle caps with decorative paper. Our next step is we're going to be gluing on our paper clip backs. You want to grab a really big paper clip so it can help support the weight of the bottle cap. This one's a fancy one, so you don't have to get this one. It's just it's a little heavier duty, but I'll put both on so you can see how they different. So what we're going to do is we're going to put hot glue on the back of the bottle cap and just stick it right on top of the paper clip. You can always add more on top to make sure it's nice and sealed and secured. And then you'll want to let that dry. Same process with the regular paper clip. You want to make sure that you're putting it at the top so that when you put it in your book that you can still slide it in. And then let that one dry as well. Now that they're dry, you are ready to use your brand new trendy bookmarks. These kind of look like geodes and I'm living for it. Let's test it out in a book. Have a Pokemon book here, and let's go to a random page and stick in our new bookmark. Like that. Oh, that looks amazing. How cool. Easy. And so unique and personalized. Let's try it with the bigger one. Perfect reading marker for you that's so easy that you can do at home with the things lying around your house. And it's so pretty. And there we have it, your very own bottle cap bookmark. How easy was that? And it's so pretty. You can make them uniquely to you depending on the paper you use inside. I personally think mine looks like a geode, which I love. Super cool, super sparkly, and super convenient. Now I have a new bookmark to bring home. If you make this craft, we would love to see your designs. Please post them to Instagram and tag us at MHPLteens and use the hashtag craftingwithstephanie. Until next time, friends, stay safe.